The reason you're struggling to be a consistent options trader is because you don't have an options trading system. And no, I'm not talking about an options strategy. I'm talking about an options trading system. There is a huge difference. Okay, if you want consistency, you want to know what to do at any given point. If you want to enter a trade and actually have the trade plan listed out so that if a crash happens, a volatility spike happens, whatever happens, number one, this is the video for you. And number two, it's because you need an options trading system. So what exactly is an options trading system? I know you guys hate math, but this is the math behind it. An options trading system equals number one, the right strategy, plus number two, the right market, plus number three, the right mindset. Okay. In order for a system to work, it needs to be a playbook where you know when this happens, I do this at this time. I'm going to walk you through the exact playbook that I use so you can walk away just implementing a proven system, or at least knowing what one looks like so you can build your own. Okay, so let's break down each one of these components. An options trading system is made up of the right strategy, right market, right mindset. A right strategy is classified as this, okay? A right strategy is something that, number one, has a set of rules, okay? If your strategy does not have a set of rules, it's not a strategy, it's called discretion. And it's the reason why you're losing. Because every time it's slightly different, you convince yourself, emotions get in the way, whatever. It needs to be a set of rules. Another way to say this is it needs to be mechanical. Okay, you need to know every single time I put on a trade, I do this. Here's one for me. One of my favorite trades is the 111 trade. Every time I put on this trade, it's the exact same thing. For me, I trade on ES, so I know every time I trade ES. Every time I go close to 120 DTE into the future, 120 days out, I pick my strike prices by doing a 25 delta I buy, 23 delta I sell, and then I sell a 10 delta, just like that. Every single time, same setup. I have a take profit of 25% and a stop loss of 200%. This is the basic gist of a strategy. It must be mechanical. I must know the exact thing I'm doing every single time. If you're not doing the same thing every time, that's why you're having inconsistent results. How can you expect to have consistency if you're not putting in the same inputs into the equation every time? Okay. So number one is have a set rules, mechanicals for your strategy. Number two, to have the right strategy is you need to make sure that it's been back tested. You need to know over the last 10, 20, 30 years, can this make money? So you need to back test it. Not only that, you need what's called forward test. And this can be done by using real money, which is what I recommend. Or if you don't want to risk money, use paper trading. Either way, start doing the trades live, understanding the real market order flow, and actually do it for a month or two to see if it actually works. So in order to have a right strategy, you need to have a set of rules, a mechanical system. It needs to be back tested, and it needs to work with real money. This for me is my 111 strategy. And again, this is my go-to strategy for bullish markets. And I'll explain here how an option system helps you understand what each market is. But if you want my personal help to build out your own mechanical systems, or still one of mine, book a call with me down below. I'd love to help you implement exactly what I'm teaching here in this video. So that is how you pick a right strategy. Now, from right strategy, we also need to do it in the right market, because a lot of you guys I know are losing money, and it's where like you're like, I'm making money like for a month or two and I'm having win, and then one large loss wipes it out. And the reason that happens is because the market shifts, trend change, something happens, and that strategy stops working. Okay, because the reason being is because every single strategy in the world works. It only works in a particular type of market. Okay, so the one-on-one strategy that I like so much is great, only really works in bullish markets. Like buying puts works during bear markets. Okay, so every option strategy you've ever tried has worked. And so if you've done it and it's worked and then it stopped working, it's not the strategy that stopped working, it's the market that stopped working. So once we have a right strategy, something that's mechanical, rules-based, has been backtested and done with live money, we know it works, and then we have the right strategy. Now we move on to the right market. When does this strategy succeed? Now, the best way to know that is actually to backtest the strategy, okay? Fun fact, when you backtest a strategy, it shows you how it performs over time. And if you see something like this, you'll tend to see periods in that backtest where the chart is underperforming and overperforming. So maybe it does well like this and then kind of flattens, maybe it goes down a bit and then it succeeds again. Okay, and so then you go to the backtest chart and you go, okay, where and what points, why was it trending up here and why did it do really well here? What type of markets were these? And you then get to reverse engineer what type of markets does this strategy work best in? And so for me, if you backtest the 111, you will see that when the market is trending up, it does very well. When the market goes flat and goes down, it goes like this, and then it trends up very well again. So what does this tell me? This tells me that when the market is in an uptrend, I need to use the one-on-one strategy. So I need to pair the right strategy. I think it disappeared. The right strategy with the right market. And so, for instance, if we're doing the one-on-one, I make sure it's paired with an uptrending market. Now, how do I do this? The easiest way to tell the difference between markets is something called the 200-day moving average. So if you go to your chart, this works for any charting platform you're using, whether it's your broker, Yahoo Finance, anything like that. Go to the moving average simple line, go to the settings of it, change the length from whatever it is to 200. And this will show you if the market is above this line, it's bullish. If the market's below it, it's bearish. Obviously, the better way to tell it, but this is the most general way. And so if the market's above this, I want to be doing a one-on-one strategy. The market's below it, I'll be using a bearish strategy. So to build out my system, I need the right strategy in the right market. And so this will probably lead you to believe, okay, cool. If I have the right strategy in the right market, how else could I fail? You, the human, the person executing the trade, is the next failure point in this series, okay? And so that's where the right mindset comes into play. You need to be able to manage your emotions so that you're not chasing, not going off FOMO, not entering in too early, too late, not holding trades longer than you should. You just should be able to, like a robot, take these mechanical rules step by step and actually execute them. Now, what I found is that although having mechanical systems helps you, emotions still get in the way. Okay, not all of us are robots. And so the best way to do this is actually to automate and to take that mechanical set of rules and to plug it into a system that will automate it for you. And automation is the quickest way to remove emotions and to bring about consistency. And so if you've been struggling with emotions and struggling with consistency, consider automation. And so an options trading system, if we redefine it here, is simply the right strategy. So remember, it equals the right strategy, and we've gone over the characteristics of that, but it's also the right market. So the right market that worked for that strategy, plus automation if we want to remove the execution risk. Now, this will probably lead you to be like, Austin, the right market varies based on the strategy. You're right. There are three main types of markets if you don't know this. We have bullish markets, okay? We have bearish markets that go down, and we have sideways markets where the market just stays in between a high and a low. So the fact that we have three different markets should mean that we need three different strategies for the right different market. So that means for the bullish strategy, I'm going to have a set of mechanical plans, a playbook that I'm going to run when the market is bullish. So I'm going to have a playbook. For the bear market, I'm going to have a playbook. For the sideways market, I'm going to have a playbook. And that allows me to know at any given point, any given market, how I can make money and how I can do so consistently. Now, actually, if you're one of my coaching clients, you can actually go inside of our program, go into the 4Core Bots section, and you can see the game plan for each different market. Whether it's a bullish market, this is the game plan. These are the strategies we use, the templates so that you can know exactly what to do. The bearish playbook, the sideways playbook, and then this extra playbook. So what I want you to do is if you want to build an options trading system, you need to have a proven playbook for each type of market. That way you go, okay, what market are we in? We're in this, cool. I run this set of rules, I make money, good to go. And so that's what an options trading system is. It's knowing what to do at any given point. And bonus point, if you put automation on top where you're like, we're in this market, we execute this bot. We're in this market, we execute this bot. If you want my set of playbooks for every type of market, click the link down below. I'd love to be able to help you out. But an options trading system is simply that. So again, remember, if you want success, you need to have a system, you need to have a playbook, you need to know what you're doing for every type of market. So bullish market, pick a playbook, bearish market, build a playbook. And then for any other type of market you want to build, do that as well. Remember, right strategy, right market, and right mindset, or bonus on top, automation. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.